Hello everyone. In the recent Google update, Android TV remote is not working on all Android TVs. So today I am going to tell you the solution how it can work. As you can see, I have opened the app in my mobile TV remote app, but it's not searching Android TV. So here is a simple solution. Just go to the setting of your TV, and from setting go to apps, and in the apps section just go to Android TV remote service. Click on Android TV remote service and uninstall updates. After uninstalling the updates, your Android TV remote app will work on your TV perfectly. And here you can see the remote is working. It is working fine on my Android TV now. Here, and the pairing the device. Connection established, and now I can easily control my Android TV with Android mobile app. Thank you.